Hi nail girlies! In today's video, I am going to recreate an old nail design. Look how pretty it looks. We're gonna see if we can do it better. For today's video, I'll be using base gel polish, sequin nail flakes, and clear polygel. I am using the base coat to apply the sequins onto the nails. When applying the flakes, I like to stick to smaller size pieces. This design is super easy and beginner friendly, whether you're new to gel or whether you're new to polygel. This nail set is already turning out so pretty. I'll now repeat the process of applying my gel coat, applying my sequins, curing for 30 to 60 seconds, and later we will encapsulate with polygel. Now it's time to encapsulate with polygel. I like to start from the cuticle and work my way down to the nail using patting motion. Whenever my brush gets sticky, I simply dip it in alcohol, drain the excess liquid, and keep going. Polygel can get pricey, so no wasting over here. I just use the excess from one nail and apply it to the next. Not gonna lie, clear polygel is a little harder to see, so I had to go back and fix that because I missed a spot. We aren't done quite yet, but I just want to take a moment to give a shout out to anybody that is still watching. I thank you and I appreciate you. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. This helps her nail table grow so we can reach new nail girlies. OMG, look at them. They turned out super pretty. Not gonna lie, she's a little bulky, so I'm gonna go in with the nail file. I'm using an 80/80 grit file to file the nails. I had to do a lot of filing because I forgot the step of narrowing down my nail tips using my nail snippers. So next I'm just gonna apply my top coat, applying on top and underneath since we have clear, and we will cure this for 30 to 60 seconds. Here are the final results. I'm going to do my thumb on TikTok, so be sure to follow me on TikTok or Instagram at Her Nail Table.